Welcome back. The Dutch G is one of the most special sounds in the language. It is not like the English G, because it is made with air, not pressure. It lives deep in your mouth, close to your throat, where your breath begins. In phonetics, the Dutch G clashed as voiceless velar or uvular fricativus. Some pronounce it at the velum, the soft palate at the roof of the mouth, while others produce it a little deeper, closer to the uvula. In both cases, the sound is created by a gentle flow of air that passes through a narrow space between the back of the tongue and the upper part of the throat. Let us learn how to make it. Keep your mouth slightly open and breathe out gently, as if you are fogging a mirror. You will feel a soft breath of air moving through your mouth, like a long ha. That breath is important, it helps you find where the sound is born. While you keep breathing out like this, notice the path of the air. You will feel it touching the upper part of your mouth, right where the throat opens into the mouth cavity, just above the uvula. That small curved area is the place where the Dutch G sound is formed. It is the gentle meeting point between the back of your tongue and the soft part of the roof of your mouth, called the soft palate or the velum. Now, keeping your mouth in that same position, say, aha. Repeat it for a few times, then you will feel a small movement deep in your throat, in the same area where the air was touching, when you were practicing the fogging the mirror exhalation. That is the space where the Dutch G begins. Now combine the two, the soft airflow of fogging the mirror and the open vibration of aha. But this time, do not use your vocal cords. Keep them relaxed and open, so no voice comes out. To check this, gently place your fingertips on the front of your neck, just over your voice box, and try making the sound again. If you feel no vibration under your fingers, then you are doing it perfectly. If you feel a buzzing or vibration, you are adding voice. Relax again and let only air pass. You will hear a gentle, breathy friction, a smooth rasp that flows with your breath. That is the real Dutch G. The sound should never be forced. It is made with air, not with strength. If you push too hard, it becomes rough, and if you breathe too softly, it disappears. Let the air move freely, and the sound will come naturally. Now, let us use it in real Dutch words. You will hear it in goed, meaning good. Dag, meaning day, and lachen, meaning to laugh. In each of these words, the sound begins deep in your throat and moves gently outward with the breath. When you can make that sound easily, without using your vocal cords, you have found the real Dutch G. It is calm, airy, and natural. The sound flows, it breathes, and it gives your Dutch voice its real character. Keep Dutching. Dag.